In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Google Ads on desktop devices or on mobile. If you want your ads to appear only on computers and mobile phones and avoid other devices like tablets, this walkthrough will help you set that up cleanly and confidently. Start by going to your Google Ads account. Sign in and make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. From the main dashboard, find and click Campaigns. This brings you to the central area where all your campaigns live. Click Campaigns again if needed to reveal the full list, then select the specific campaign you want to control. Device targeting is set at the campaign level, so it's important you're working inside the right one before you make changes. With the campaign open, look for the gear icon. This icon represents the campaign settings. Click it to access the controls that shape how and where your ads are delivered. Inside, open Additional Settings. This section contains advanced options that aren't always visible by default, but it's where device controls live. Next, click Devices. Here, you'll see options that determine which types of devices are eligible to show your ads. Choose the option to set specific targeting for devices. This tells Google Ads you want to define exactly which device categories to include, rather than letting the system show ads across all devices automatically. Now, mark only the checkboxes for computers and mobile phones. Computers covers desktops and laptops, and mobile phones refers to smartphones. Leave tablets unselected if your goal is to exclude them. This is useful if your website or app performs best on desktop and phone screens, or if your analytics show tablets aren't converting efficiently. Keeping your targeting focused can help reduce wasted spend and sharpen your campaign performance. Once those selections are in place, take a moment to review the page so you're confident the campaign you chose is the one being updated and that only computers and mobile phones are selected. From here, your campaign is configured to show on desktop and mobile devices only. Over time, you can monitor performance by device in your reporting to ensure this setup aligns with your goals and user behavior. That's it. You've navigated to your Google Ads account, opened your chosen campaign, accessed the gear icon, entered additional settings, selected devices, enabled specific device targeting, and limited delivery to computers and mobile phones. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you'd like to follow along as you make these changes.